how to see your Facebook password on computer or laptop. Hey everybody, if we have forgotten our Facebook password but it's already saved on our computer, we can view it easily. So if we do not know where to look, we might end up resetting the password unnecessarily. So we may follow up this process for that. Open up Chrome or any of the browser that you're using for you specifically use your Facebook account. And once we are there, what we need to do is click on the three dots in the top and select it. Select the option of settings from here. And from here, look out for autofill section, this one right here, and select it. And here we'll be finding option for password manager. So select it. And once we select it, what we need to do is look out for facebook.com. So search for facebook.com here and expand it up. And once we expand it up, in this section is where we'll be finding our Facebook account located in the devices that we have saved password for. So once you find it up, you can just go over and look out for this eye icon to view it up. To click on, view your saved Facebook entry, you can just go over and do so, and the save Facebook password will appear on your screen. This is how you view it, and this method only works if we have previously saved the password. We must be logged in into the same Windows user account, and if that's not the case, we cannot view the password saved on another device. And that's it. But if you have really forgotten your password, the only way is resetting your password for your Facebook, and you can recover them by following the prompts shown on the screen. And that's it. That's how we can safely view our saved Facebook password on a computer or a laptop. So we hope this video was helpful. Ensure to give this video a like and share, subscribe for more tips and tutorials.